226 left.
United 1291 Las Vegas approach advisor, report 1 o'clock and 27 miles.
Airport in sight, United 1291.
United 1291, clear visual approach, runway 26 left and maintain 210 knots or greater until Larry.
Clear visual 26 left, 210 knots or greater till Larry, United 1291.
Spare Wings 777, Spare Wings contact tower, have a good night.
Yeah, Spare 777, bye-bye.
JetBlue 534, frame exchange approved, Elliot off, good day.
Numbers 9 American 320, flight level 280.
American 329 Denver, hello.
First Southwest 3722, 9.5 descending via the wrong star with Charlie.
Southwest 3722, hello, airport 11 o'clock, 25 miles, advise in sight.
Inside Southwest 8722.
Spirit 37, or sorry, Southwest 3722, clear visual approach, runway 26 left.
Clear visual 26 left, Southwest 8722.
Light chop, flight level 330, about 5 miles north of Day, waypoint.
Perfect, thank you, sir.
Bravo, WestJet 1624, 11.2 for 8,000 on the cocktail 3. WestJet 1624, Las Vegas approach rider. Southwest current Las Vegas wind 12010, altimeter is 2983. United 1291, contact tower and normal speed, have a good night.
Our tower, normal speed, United 1291, good night.
Coast Spirit 874, 12100, sending you the rounders, 226 left.
Spirit 874, Las Vegas approach rider.
Biggie. Vegas traffic, this is ExitJet 1979, currently on final approach, runway 26 left.
ExitJet 1979, Vegas Tower, wind 020 at 6, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 26 left, Center copy.
ExitJet 1979, will you be parking over at General Aviation today?
Roger that, that's affirmative, thanks.
Southwest 3722, normal speed, contact tower, have a good night.
Normal speed, Southwest 3722, over to tower 2.
Southwest 1701, Las Vegas approach, ready speed to 210, then descend and maintain 8,000.
0 first, and then 8,000.
WestJet 1624, ready speed 170 knots, and then descend and maintain 6,000.
Okay, so to 171st, then to 6,000, WestJet 1624. Southwest 7201, not sure if you need to radio call. Are we cleared to join the course at Prino?
Yeah, Southwest 1701, join the localizer, just at Prino there, but don't descend yet. I've got traffic ahead of you off the downwind. I'll have a new speed at Prino and then a descent shortly.
Not a problem. Clear for the course, for the approach, but do not descend below 8,000, Southwest 1701.
874, speed 170 knots, and then descend and maintain 6,000.
170, then 6,000, straight as anywhere.
Approach Wingspan 24, 10,000, descending 9,000, heading 080.
Wingspan 24, Las Vegas approach, expect runway 100.
We'll expect 19 right, Wingspan 24.
Sequence numbers, WestJet
350, descend and maintain 5,000.
blocked.
WestJet 1624, turn left heading 350, descend and maintain 5,000.
Left heading 350, descend and maintain 5,000, WestJet 1624.
Wingspan 24, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000, Wingspan 24.
Southwest 1701, descend and maintain 7,000.
7,000, Southwest 1701. Approach everyone is 1480 with you. We're out of 11.7, 10 speed on the Rangers 2.
Sure, 1480, Las Vegas approach, hello.
Howdy.
Approach Southwest 1415, 106, descend the Rockstar 210.
Southwest 1415, Las Vegas after Prino, descend and maintain 7,000, off your approach clearance shortly.
After Prino, descend maintain 7,000 on the 1415.
WestJet 1624.